Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best recipe binder is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook looking to organize their culinary world. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of recipe binders with cards and dividers, exploring how they can transform your cooking experience from chaotic to beautifully organized. We'll cover everything you need to know to create your own recipe binder. Number 5. Better Kitchen Recipe Binder Set. This complete set includes an 8.5 x 9.5 inch 3-ring binder, 50 clear protector sheets, 100 recipe cards, and 12 divider tabs. It has everything you need to organize your favorite recipes. The binder, divider tabs, and recipe cards all feature a matching vintage kitchen design. It's a cohesive and stylish way to keep track of your recipes. The binder has stain-resistant padded covers and 2 D-shaped rings. The protector sheets have secure inward openings and heat-welded seams. This design makes it easy to use and keeps your recipes safe. The 2 D-rings provide high capacity, and all components are designed for durability. The recipe cards are secured in protector sheets, and the dividers are wrapped separately for protection. Inside the front and back covers, you'll find an equivalent measurements list. It also includes a list of emergency substitute ingredients, making cooking easier. What we like. This binder features a charming vintage kitchen design, perfect for adding a touch of nostalgia to your kitchen. It comes with a complete set, including recipe cards and dividers, making it easy to get started. Inside, you'll find helpful cooking tips and measurement conversions. If you're looking for a recipe binder that's both stylish and practical, you should consider this one. What people say. I love that this binder is small and doesn't take up a lot of space. The sleeves come with the cards already inside, which I think is so helpful. There are a lot of dividers, which is nice, and there is some room to insert more sleeves. Number 4. Recipe Binder Organizer with Cards and Protectors. This beautiful recipe binder features a gorgeous floral design. It's the perfect way to organize all your cherished family recipes, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The set includes a binder, matching recipe cards, divider tabs, clear sleeves, and full-page sleeves. It's designed to be an heirloom for your family, perfect for passing down recipes. This recipe organizer has plenty of room for over 100 dual-sided recipe cards. You can also store clippings, notes, and photographs. The cards fit perfectly in the binder. The water-resistant cover is sturdy and made to last. The plastic page protectors and dividers are tear-free and waterproof, protecting your recipes. The 3 rings make it easy to add or remove pages. This recipe holder makes a fantastic gift for weddings, Mother's Day, or housewarmings. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who loves to cook and wants to preserve their family recipes. It arrives in a beautiful gift box. What we like. The beautiful artisanal design of this binder will add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It's also waterproof and functional, protecting your precious recipes from spills and splashes. It comes in a beautiful gift box, making it a thoughtful present for any occasion. If you are looking for a recipe binder that's both beautiful and practical, you should consider this one. What people say. It includes protective sleeves, dividers, and recipe pages, beautifully decorated with flowers. The pages have a title space, and spaces for prep time, cook time, and how many it serves. It has different conversion tables on both the front and back inside covers, and the dividers are labeled appetizers, salads and soups, entrees, sides, pastas, and sweets. Number 3. 3-ring recipe binder kit with cards and dividers. This recipe binder is the perfect way to keep all your favorite recipes in one place. It comes with everything you need to get started, including recipe cards and dividers. It's a great way to preserve family recipes. The set includes a large 3-ring binder, recipe cards, and themed dividers. It also comes with protective sleeves and labels. This ensures everything is organized and easy to find. The binder has a sturdy hardcover with a laminated finish. The gold foil stamping makes it easy to identify. The paper is designed to resist spills and keep your recipes safe. The recipe cards and pages have larger line spacing for easy reading. It also includes helpful cover charts with winery tips and kitchen conversions. It's designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. The high-quality paper is perfect for writing down notes and preserving family recipes. You can also use it as a project diary or photo album. It's durable and designed to last. This recipe binder makes a great gift for anyone who loves to cook. It's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful and practical gift that they'll love. What we like. This recipe binder boasts an aesthetic and durable design with a laminated finish to resist spills. The recipe cards and pages have larger line spacing for easy reading. It's an ideal gift for women who love cooking. If you're looking for a recipe binder that's both stylish and functional, you should consider this one. What people say. It's nice because there are multiple ways to add recipes, index cards, full sheets, or printouts. It also includes blank tabs so you can categorize the recipes however you want. Another nice feature is that it lays flat, or would sit nicely in a cookbook stand. Number 2. COFICE Recipe Binder, Blank Family Recipe Book. This recipe binder offers plenty of room to store all your favorite recipes. With everything in one place, cooking becomes incredibly easy. It includes a binder, recipe paper, clear protectors, dividers, and label stickers. This blank recipe book is a great investment for any cook. You'll never forget a recipe again. Store all your recipes here and pass them down through generations. The layout is designed to help you document all your kitchen creations with ease. These recipe books are user-friendly and easy to customize. You can organize pages into categories. The binder includes 12 blank dividers labeled for different recipe types, making it easy to find what you need. This cookbook binder is a true masterpiece. The spine is made from durable PU leather, resistant to dirt and spills. High-quality paper ensures that pages won't curl or tear over time, preserving your recipes for years. This recipe book is the perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook. It's easy to use and gives them access to their favorite recipes without searching through loose papers. It's a great choice for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. What we like. This recipe binder features a durable PU faux leather cover, offering a touch of elegance and protection. It provides plenty of space for all your favorite recipes, ensuring you never run out of room. Made with high-quality materials, it's designed to last for years. If you like a recipe binder that is both stylish and durable, you should consider this one. What people say. The big binder feels high quality and looks great. The included pages are well done and exactly what you would want to write a recipe on. The pages inside are nice for the recipes and the sheet covers protect the pages from damage. Number 1. Better Kitchen Recipe Binder Set. Tired of scattered recipes? This complete set helps you organize everything. It includes a binder, protectors, cards, and dividers, making it easy to find what you need. This set has everything you need to get started. It includes a binder, clear protector sheets, recipe cards, and category dividers. It's a comprehensive solution for your kitchen. The design is consistent throughout the set. The binder has stain-resistant covers and D-shaped rings. The design is both practical and visually appealing. Built to last, this binder features durable components. The protector sheets have secure openings, and the rings offer high capacity. It's designed for everyday use. Inside, you'll find useful cooking tips. It includes measurement conversions and emergency ingredient substitutes. It's a handy resource for any cook. What we like. This binder features a sleek kitchen design, perfect for a modern kitchen. It comes with a complete set, including recipe cards and dividers, making it easy to get started. The smart design includes stain-resistant padded covers and durable protector sheets. If you are looking for a recipe binder that's both stylish and practical, you should consider this one. What people say. Recipe binder with cards and dividers is a great product. The binder is well made and the dividers are sturdy. The recipe cards are a nice touch and the binder is a great way to organize recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.